Adding Solana Network to Metamask, a step-by-step guide. In today's digital age, embracing new blockchain technologies is essential. One such revolution is the integration of the Solana network with Metamask. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly add Solana to your Metamask wallet. First, let's understand why this integration is critical. Solana offers high-speed transactions at lower costs, making it a valuable asset in your crypto portfolio. Metamask, primarily an Ethereum wallet, can be expanded to support Solana with a few tweaks. Begin by opening your Metamask wallet. Ensure that it's updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. This is crucial for a smooth integration process. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. This is where you'll make the adjustments needed to support the Solana network. The settings are the gateway to customizing your Metamask experience. In the Settings menu, look for the Networks option. This is where Metamask allows you to manage different blockchain networks. You're about to add a new one to this list. Click on Add Network. This opens up a form where you'll input the Solana network details. Here, precision is key to ensuring that your wallet connects to the correct network. For the network name, type in Solana. This helps you easily identify the network in your Metamask wallet. It's all about keeping your crypto assets organized. In the new RPC URL field, enter the Solana RPC URL. This is the gateway that connects Metamask to the Solana blockchain. You can find the URL on the official Solana documentation or trusted crypto websites. Next, fill in the chain ID. For Solana, this is essential for transaction processing. The correct chain ID ensures your transactions are valid and secure on the network. The currency symbol field is next. Type in SOL, the ticker for Solana's native currency. This helps you quickly see your Solana balance in Metamask. Optionally, you can add the Block Explorer URL for Solana. This isn't mandatory, but highly recommended. It allows you to track your transactions on the Solana blockchain directly from Metamask. With all the details filled in, click Save. Congratulations, you've just added the Solana network to your Metamask wallet. This is a significant step in diversifying your blockchain interactions. Now, switch to the Solana network by clicking on the Network Selection drop-down at the top of your Metamask wallet. You should see Solana listed among the networks. Select it to switch. Finally, you're ready to explore the Solana ecosystem with your Metamask wallet. Whether you're sending SOL, swapping tokens, or interacting with Solana-based dApps, the world of high-speed and low-cost transactions is now at your fingertips. Remember, the crypto world is ever-evolving. Keep your Metamask wallet updated and continue exploring new blockchain integrations. The Solana network is just the beginning of expanding your digital asset portfolio.